Welcome back to another video, guys. In this video I'm just going to go through a few fault codes on these BMW should we say the F models, this type of engine, even the previous engine to this is the LCI model 3 series from 15 plates onward. Now it'll be the same similar design engine on the previous models as well, should we say from 2011 or even older than that. But I'm just going to go through this fault code here. So if we look at the oxygen sensor, so where it says 283400 oxygen sensor after Catalytic and 282E00. Now both of them fault code is the same stuff, the same sensor. Now that is to be found on this engine here. It's a common issue. It doesn't have to be BM, it's general, it's a general fault code. It's at the back there, right? It's at the back somewhere after the Catalytic, should we say. This is a diagram of where it is, and that's the product item number, should we say. You are best getting genuine item, as in like the genuine O2 sensor rather than aftermarket cheap stuff, because it will trigger short circuit again. Now I highly do recommend getting the actual stuff from deal if you can. If not, to go online, you can buy it, it's not the end of the world, but make sure it's the genuine part number. Them two code, you can try and clear it, it won't go. You have to change it. Now I know some people do remap them, but I don't recommend it because it's going to be a bit of a faff. So I highly recommend just changing the pipe and it's done. And 1 series, 2 series, 3 series, 4 series, 5 series as well has the same engine, the 2-litre diesel. Like I said, it's right on the back of the engine there.